If you've been looking for a business credit card, well, the Ink Business Premier credit card from Chase Bank might be what you've been looking for. We're going to dive into the nitty-gritty, the details about this credit card and why you might want to consider getting it. But before we do, if you haven't already, smash that thumbs up. It does help with the YouTube algorithm and it lets us know that you enjoy and appreciate this type of content. And after that, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. The Chase Ink Business Premier credit card gives you a $1,000 bonus cashback after you spend $10,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Then you can earn 2.5% cash back on large purchases. Yes, you can earn a total of 2.5% cash back on every purchase of $5,000 or more. That's $250 on a purchase of $10,000 when redeemed. After that, you can earn 2% cash back on every purchase. Turn all of your business expenses into rewards with unlimited 2% cash back on all other business purchases. Redeem your rewards for cash back, gift cards, travel, and more through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. Employee cards come at no additional cost. Employee cards let you set individual spending limits and help you earn rewards even faster. So those reward points, it's not just on your personal, or not personal, but your individual business credit card, but any of your employees who are using a business credit card, well, those reward points count as well. And so one of the benefits of having a business credit card, and especially giving your employees credit cards, not only do they come at no additional costs with the Chase Ink Business Premier credit card, but it also helps you with being able to earn reward points faster. So that employee credit card, well, anytime they go and spend it on business expenses, you get those reward points too. You have a pay in full card with powerful spend potential. Pay in full card for businesses who prefer to pay their balance in full each month. Ink Business Premier gives you access to increased spending power, rich rewards, and premium benefits. And they have Flex for business. Ink Business Premier has flexibility built in. Pay off eligible purchases over time with interest up to your Flex for Business limit. All other purchases must be paid in full each month. And you can monitor and protect your business. You can stay on top of your business with fraud protection, purchase protection, personalized account alerts, and much more. And of course, they have additional ways for you to redeem your rewards, so it doesn't have to just be in cash back. They have tons of programs, but also the peace of mind of knowing that you have travel and purchase coverage with this card is a nice little bonus to throw in the mix, little cherry on top, right? So my friends, this card might be what you've been looking for, right? Now, I think one of the most important things that I do want to mention, I had to save it to the end because I know a lot of people like to just jump ship. They don't want to, you don't want to stick around for all the most important stuff, which could come early on or later on, is that there is an annual fee of $195. And the APR can vary from about 17.24% to about 25.24%. So as a whole, do I think this card is what you've been looking for? I don't know. I can't say. I can't speak for you and how your business goes about spending, right, on a monthly basis. However, I can say, knowing that you can earn $1,000 cash back bonus after you spend $10,000 on purchases in the first 3 months is a nice way to catch your attention if you are spending your credit card, if you're using your credit card and actually spending with it, right? If you're out there and these are business expenses now, well, this might be what you've been looking for. I mean, 2.5% cash back on large purchases. Again, if you're someone who, if this already meets, if you hit the check mark there, you're like, well, I can do that. That won't be a problem for our business. Then the 2.5% cash back is also nice, but then on top of that, knowing that you get 2% cash back on every other purchase, I mean, is this even a discussion? Is this even a debate? I have some links down below where you guys can get started with getting your new Chase Inc. Business Premier credit card, and some other links that might help you with your credit card journey as you're looking for exploring new credit cards to add into the mix. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Much appreciation for watching. Smash that thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys, and subscribe if you're new here. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I release some more Chase Inc. business credit card videos, or just regular Chase credit card videos, or Capital One, or who else might be in the mix. But hold on, before you go, we also do have other videos that you might be interested in. For example, this one here.